Then next step is actually to move the alert helper to the same directory but without the extension. So I'm going to say network package alert helpers, network package alert helpers without the extension. And I'm also going to make it executable. Network package alert helpers. Awesome. So just to make it more extra clear, I am actually going to move this network package alert helpers to network package, and I'm just going to name it EricNet. And I am going to go ahead and make a little bit of modification on NetworkNet just so that it's taking a sysarg and then putting the output. So let's go ahead and make that change. Network package, EricNet, and I'm going to say import sys, and the router check would actually be added down here. I'll just say router check equals to sys, the first argument in there. And down at the very bottom, when I call this particular function, I'm going to say if name equals to main check route and route to check. Awesome. So let's give it a shot. If I say Python network package EricNet 192.168.0.10, and we should be able to see the nice, the route is there. So now we're ready to actually make a distribution out of this Python package. The next step really is just to create more files. So touch network package, I'm going to create a readme.md and also a setup.py. This is actually the most important file where we specify all the installation stuff and license. Then I'm going to make EricNet executable too. So network package EricNet. So now that is executable. So to save some typing, I've already copied over the necessary setup.py content. So let's take a look. So network packages, setup.py. It's going to import setup tools. It's going to read the README file, which is empty at this point. And the setup file is the most important part, where I am naming the binary, the executable, to be EricNet, and the script to be EricNet. And the rest of them are just descriptions and authors and versionings. And those are mainly needed if you want to upload this to PyPI. So let me go ahead and build this. So if I go down, so let's look at the content real quick. So if I do tree, network package, I could see right now I only have this one binary file, the setup.py. The rest of them are just empty files, right? So now if I cd down there and then I say Python setup.py bdist distribution wheel, and now it's building this binaries that are needed to install, right? So now if I go down, go up, and then down to the distribution, I could say python-amp pip install and this network package distribution, and then I have this new WHL file that I could install. And now it's saying, hey, installed EricNet 0.0.1. And now if I say which EricNet, it will say, hey, it's in your VNV binary. And then now you could use it as a command. So if I say EricNet 192.168.0.10, that's exactly what we would expect from our Python script, but now it's being installed locally as a command line, right? So now if I do 13, then it should, prompt us to troubleshoot. So let's go ahead and uninstall that, right? So let's do the module and using pip uninstall network package, distribution, and EricNet. And let me go ahead and uninstall that. Yes. Awesome. So now it's on install and we're back to where we were before.